Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed product insights and recommendations. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best lighting for photography at home, the Torjim Softbox Photography Lighting Kit. If you're into photography, content creation, or live streaming from your home studio, lighting is everything. Good lighting can be the difference between a dull shot and a professional-grade photo. That's where the Torjim Softbox Lighting Kit steps in, offering an exceptional balance of quality, efficiency, and flexibility. Let's start with the build. The Torjim Softboxes are 16 by 16 inches and are made of high-quality PET fabric with a foldable nylon cover. That might sound technical, but what it really means is soft, even lighting with high reflectivity and minimal hotspots. The inner silver particle baffle inside each softbox helps scatter light uniformly, effectively eliminating harsh shadows and giving you a beautifully diffused glow. Ideal for portraits, product photography, and video calls alike. The heart of this setup lies in its LED bulbs. You get two 85-watt CFL daylight bulbs with an impressive color temperature range from 3000 to 7500 Kelvin. That means you can switch from warm, cozy light to crisp, cool daylight with ease. Not only are these bulbs energy efficient, saving up to 80% on electricity, but they're also built for longevity and stability. They operate comfortably even in lower temperatures, making them dependable during long recording sessions. Now, stability matters in a home studio. And Torjim doesn't cut corners here either. The kit includes two durable 62-inch tripods crafted from aluminum alloy. These tripods are equipped with independent locking knobs, providing solid support even on uneven surfaces. You don't have to worry about wobbly lights ruining your take. This setup stays rock steady. But perhaps what stands out most is the flexibility. The softboxes feature a 210-degree rotatable head, allowing you to direct light precisely where you need it. Whether you're shooting from a low angle, lighting a product on a table, or doing a top-down cooking video, the lights adapt effortlessly to your setup. Setting up the kit is simple and intuitive, making it beginner-friendly. The package includes everything you need: two softboxes, two LED bulbs, two tripod stands, a remote control for easy adjustments, and two soft diffusers for even softer lighting. With this all in one package, you can be up and running in minutes, transforming any room into a professional-grade studio. What's also worth noting is how well this kit transitions between different uses. It's not just for still photography. It's perfect for video recording, live streaming, makeup tutorials, or Zoom calls where you want to look your best. The lighting can truly elevate your visual presence, whether you're a content creator or a working professional from home. So, who is this for? If you're a beginner photographer, a YouTuber, a makeup artist, or someone who needs high-quality lighting at home without spending a fortune, the Torjim Softbox Kit is a solid investment. It brings professional-level lighting into your space without the bulk or complexity of traditional studio setups. To wrap it up, the Torjim Softbox Photography Lighting Kit checks all the boxes: affordable, efficient, sturdy, and versatile. It's a smart choice for anyone serious about improving their lighting game at home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product deep dives just like this. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to review any other lighting gear. See you in the next one.